At Watson-Marlow, our expertise lies in pump and fluid path technologies, which touches almost every part of the industrial world. We provide solutions for life science and process industries globally, and our technologies help many world-leading brands to make products efficiently and sustainably. Watson-Marlow is a unique business full of contrast and character. We are a global company with a local direct presence in over 40 countries. Our teams show dedication, are empowered, and have the flexibility to follow their professional and personal ambitions. We have a rich heritage of delivering excellence across the industries we serve. At the heart of this is our global team, which is made up of individuals who are encouraged to be themselves. Everyone is included in our company. Across our brands, we are guided by a shared purpose to create sustainable value for all our stakeholders as we engineer a more efficient, safer, and sustainable world. In recent years, we have undergone a strategic review of our business. Today, we have dedicated teams to deliver our vision, which is to be the world leader in fluid technology solutions in targeted sectors that value innovation and local expertise. The strength of our company is underpinned by our commitment to act sustainably. Our work improves the environmental impact of our customers and increases their sustainability, just as we continuously strive to improve our own. We invest heavily in research, development, and infrastructure. Our teams around the world are connected and encouraged to collaborate in the pursuit of excellence. This extends to our relationship with local communities and the environments where we work. We strive to be at the forefront of innovation. My name is Andrew Mines. We are Watson-Marlow.